in CapCut, it's common that we may need to split the videos or audios or anything. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is one of the sample media which I already imported, and this is like 10 seconds video. Now I want to clip it in some portion. So what we need to do? At first we need to import it to the timeline, and after that we just need to choose our cursor or this pointer where we want to split or divide. So suppose I want to divide it in this position. So we need to move our cursor or this bar, which is the timeline bar here, and then we have to click this on. Here is the icon split, or we can use the shortcut key B, Control B. That is the shortcut key for blade. So if we click here, the clip will be split in two parts. And now, for example, we want to split only this part. We can press the space bar and we can play. And suppose we want to we want to keep this part of this video. That's why I pressed the space bar again, and this timeline this bar will be stopped. Now we can press this icon again to split it, and it will be splitted. Now we can delete this thing. I'm going to select it and delete, and the other part delete. And now this is our desired clip, which is splitted or divide. In this way we can easily cut or split a video in CapCut.